What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about taking out a loan to get precious metals, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also make sure to subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive precious metal content, link in the description. And if you want to help support the channel by getting some DYDSS merchandise, we got t-shirts and hoodies, a bunch of gear that's raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, and of course the brand new DYDSS in-frame t-shirt, hoodie, and sticker. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. But today I did something a little bit different and I wanted to talk about it. I actually just got back from the bank a little while ago, and now this video I am going to be kind of answering the question, would I ever take out a loan in order to get silver and or gold? This was not a question that was asked to me in the comment section of any of my videos, so I'm not going to dive right in and answer it right away. I wanted to tell a little bit of a story first, and the reason for that is because I just got back from the bank and I was trying to figure out new ways of building my credit. I was trying to figure out ways of diversifying, and I was trying to figure out if being as credit conscious as I am is the way to go moving forward, or should I focus a little bit more on the cash back or the reward programs that some of these cards are offering. And I was talking to the guy at the bank, and he told me the same thing my accountant told me. He's told me the same thing financial managers have told me. He told me that there is not a single thing else that I can be doing to build my credit because I'm already doing everything imaginable. He said one thing I could do, he wouldn't necessarily recommend, but it's something that he did himself, and due to a friend recommending to him to get a small personal loan, like the number he threw out there was $3,000. He said he did not need $3,000. He probably needed about $1,000, but he applied for a loan. He got a $3,000 loan. He said right away he paid off, I think he said $1,000 within the first month, and he has just a little bit more to go. And it really got me thinking, because I was trying to figure out if I should upgrade my card because I am eligible to do so, if I should do this, what should I do over here. I'm trying to cover all bases, and I'm trying to do everything imaginable to build my credit and all of that. So I was thinking, because when it comes to a personal loan, they don't ask you a lot of questions. He was telling me it could be for really whatever. I mean, obviously you don't want to take out a loan if you're unable to pay it back. So me personally, would I ever, at all, would I ever consider getting a personal loan from the bank and use the money that they're lending me to get silver and or gold? Would I do it? Personally, I don't think so. I don't think I could see myself doing that. Unless, of course, I had the money in cash just sitting there, all ready to pay off the debt. For example, if I were to get a $3,000 loan, I would not even consider that unless I had $3,000 cash just sitting there that I don't mind tossing right back into payments. I am not a big fan of interest rates, and I'm definitely not a big fan of debt or being loaned money or being loaned anything for that matter. But if it were to help my credit score, if it was going to help me build credit, if the bank would view it as, diversification, I would at the very least consider it. As of right now, I don't plan on it. As of right now, I don't think it's in the cards. As of right now, I have no need to do that. But I was thinking about it while I was in the bank today, because he was talking about, personal loans and, what you can do with it, what you can't do with it, what you should do with it, what you shouldn't do with it, and how to be, how to manage it, I guess. And I was thinking about it. Nobody ever brought this up to me. Nobody ever asked me this question or told me that this was something that they were thinking about doing. This is actually something that I've never even heard done before. And I was wondering if the viewers of this video have ever done that before or would ever consider it. I'd be open-minded to it, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think I would do it. The reason for that is because I try to go to the banks for really nothing. The only reason I was there today was because I was trying to figure out whether or not it was a smart move for me to upgrade my credit card, or if there's anything else that I could be doing that I'm not already doing. Are there any bases that I'm not covering? Because I believe I'm covering all bases. I just wanted some tips and tricks or recommendations, and yeah, we were just kind of like brainstorming, I guess. I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't think I ever would do it. I have no need to do it. But I thought it would make for an interesting conversation. I thought it would make for a pretty cool video topic. I thought it would make for interesting discussion. If there's one thing I like doing, it's brainstorming. I love to think out loud. I love to ask questions, and I like to be asked questions, which, by the way, if you have any questions for me, I'd be more than happy to dedicate an entire video to you and answering your question. So maybe you're a new stacker and you just want to know some facts or information, or maybe you're a long-time stacker and you want to know my opinion on something. It could be a hypothetical question, or this or that question. It could be a question similar to the one that I'm talking about in today's video. Ask away in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to dedicate an entire video to you and answering your question. But moving forward, I would like for you guys to answer the question that I'm asking you this time. I'm usually the one answering questions. Today, I'm asking you, is this something that you have ever thought about? Is this something that you have ever done before? Is this something that you've never thought about, but now that I bring it up, you think it could potentially be a good idea? Or is this the first time you're hearing of it and you're completely against it? Let me know in the comment section. Me personally, I don't see anything necessarily wrong with the idea, but I try to be as minimally affiliated with the bank as possible. Yes, I do have credit cards. No, I do not have a single dollar of credit card debt. I don't use the credit cards very much. I use them monthly, and 3 or 4 days later, I go and I pay them off really quick. Reason for that is because, as of right now, I'm just strictly working on building my credit, and it was pretty funny when I told the guy at the bank what my credit score was. He kind of laughed in a way, not at my score, but he laughed because of how credit conscious I am. He says, for my age, my credit score is fantastic. And he said, honestly, regardless of your age, that's a really good credit score. And he said, as of right now, I don't necessarily need to be focusing as heavily on building my credit per se, but I might want to capitalize on as many returns and rewards as I can. He said if you're going to do anything, he would focus on that. And he said within the next 2 to 3 years, if I continue doing exactly what I'm doing, 2 or 3 more years, my credit score is probably going to be close to his, and he has a very impressive credit score. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Do you avoid banks altogether? Do you not even have a credit card? Do you not even have a debit card? Are you cash-only type of person? Would you ever be open-minded to getting a personal loan in order to get precious metals and then use your cash income to pay off that loan? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe for new videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also, make sure to subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive precious metal content. Just posted 3 new silver and gold themed vlog style videos over there, as well as the pawn shop integrity test hidden camera video, and I just posted a brand new product review video over there. Link will be in the description. And if you guys want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. We got t-shirts and hoodies, a bunch of gear that's raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, and of course the brand new DYDSS in-frame t-shirt and hoodie available in black and white, and you can also get stickers as well. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated, and I want you guys to let me know in the comments once again, everything that I talked about in today's video regarding personal loans in order to get precious metals. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think, no, you're exchanging wealth for debt and then debt for wealth? It's probably a bad idea. Is this something that you've done before? Is this something that you would ever consider? Are you for it? Are you against it? Let me know anything and everything regarding this in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.